progressive and assertive. The new Jaguar F-Pace, an extraordinary SUV. The bonnet and front bumper have been redesigned. This, combined with the precision-engineered, foil-tipped front grille, gives the F-Pace a dynamic new look. The advanced new pixel LED headlights feature a distinctive double J graphic and animated directional indicators. The redesigned rear bumper includes a new valance with integrated exhaust finishes and an updated tailgate with full LED lights, all emphasizing the car's dynamic personality. And a choice of wheels, combined with the optional exterior black pack, allow you to design the F-Pace to your specific taste. Spacious and luxurious, the interior has been completely redesigned with premium materials and exquisite attention to detail. Sumptuous, double-stitched soft leather, combined with high-quality finishes and chrome accents, work in perfect harmony. The steering wheel has a new split rim design and perfectly integrates hands-on access to key vehicle functions. At the heart of the interior, Jaguar's all-new PIVI Pro infotainment system features a contemporary 11.4-inch curved touchscreen. The 11.4-inch touchscreen has a smartphone-like interface. The system enables you to quickly connect to most of the vehicle's key features from the home screen, or via the enhanced voice control. The navigation has been redesigned. As well as online search functionality, this advanced new system learns your regular routes, constantly monitors traffic conditions, and offers alternative routing if necessary. Performance seats provide enhanced levels of comfort. Meticulous attention to detail is evident throughout the interior, providing a spacious environment for everyone. And configurable ambient cabin lighting provides a choice of 10 different colors to suit your mood. Wireless phone charging with phone signal booster technology ensures your mobile is fully charged. The contemporary seats cleverly integrate a variable massage function, and the concert quality Meridian surround sound system ensures your journey is always a stimulating experience. With Jaguar's remote app, PIVI Pro can also be accessed via your mobile phone, enabling you to remotely set the cabin temperature, access navigation, and monitor fuel level. An optional water and shockproof activity key can be used to lock, unlock, and start your vehicle without the need of your key fob. The F-Pace has a class-leading load space, which can be further expanded with the flexibility of the 40-20-40 folding rear seats. Optional pixel LED headlights scan the road ahead and shape the adaptive driving beam to ensure maximum illumination without dazzling other traffic. Cabin air ionization cleverly filters out unwanted fine particles like dust and pollen, ensuring the cabin air quality is always fresh and clean. The new F-Pace has Jaguar performance at the heart of its DNA. The vehicle is engineered with a strong, lightweight body shell, delivering enhanced handling and sporting performance with improved fuel efficiency. The new range of engines all come with automatic transmission and now includes the all-new plug-in hybrid and mild hybrid electrification options for even greater fuel efficiency and lower CO2 emissions. The PHEV plug-in hybrid technology uses a battery as well as the engine to increase the efficiency of the powertrain. The battery is charged from an external source and gives the driver the option to drive in hybrid or electric vehicle mode, helping to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. MHEV, or mild hybrid technology, harvests energy from deceleration and braking, intelligently redeploying it to provide smooth engine power when pulling away and driving at low speeds. Jaguar All-Wheel Drive, with Intelligent Driveline Dynamics, monitors the road hundreds of times every second. This, combined with the advanced suspension system, ensures agile, composed handling and exceptional grip. Active road noise cancellation technology ensures the interior space is always quiet and calm. The F-Pace is equipped with multiple driving modes, such as dynamic mode, which delivers a sharper, more responsive drive. Configurable dynamics enables the driver to customize the vehicle's driving characteristics by adjusting throttle mapping, steering, suspension, and gear changes, personalizing your specific driving style. For ice or snow, winter mode ensures maximum traction, grip, and stability, no matter how treacherous the conditions. Design, performance, practicality. The new F-Pace from Jaguar.